Good day, everyone. Today, I will be explaining how a router works as a computer at the network layer, or Layer 3 of the OSI model. The main job of a router is to forward packets from one network to another, and it does this by looking at the destination IP address. Let me walk you through the process step by step. First, the router checks the destination IP address. Every data packet contains a source IP and a destination IP. When the router receives the packet, it immediately looks at the destination IP to know where the packet is supposed to go. Second, the router consults its routing table. This routing table works like a map. It tells the router the best possible path toward the destination. Based on this information, the router decides the next hop, which means where the packet should be forwarded next. Third, the router encapsulates the packet into a frame. Once the path is determined, the router takes the packet and wraps it into a data link layer frame. This step is important because frames allow the packet to travel across the physical network. Finally, the frame is transmitted as bits. The frame is sent over the medium, whether it's copper cable, fiber optics, or wireless, in the form of binary digits or zeros and ones. Now, let's look at the diagram explanation. Suppose PC1 sends a packet to the IP address 192.168.3.10. The packet first goes through the switch, S1, then to router R1, then to router R2, and finally reaches the destination host, which is 192.168.3.10. At each router along the path, the same process is repeated. The router looks at the destination IP. It determines the best path from the routing table. Then, it places the packet inside a new frame that matches the outgoing network link. Conclusion. In summary, a router is like a smart computer that makes decisions based on the destination IP address. It does not just pass data blindly. It analyzes, checks the best route, re-encapsulates the packet, and then forwards it toward its destination.